Okay, let's kick things off. You've sent over some really fascinating stuff here. And I have to say, the claims are pretty bold.
They are, aren't they? It cuts through a lot of the noise.
Exactly. We're all just swimming in information these days, feels like.
Yeah.
Especially, with AI blowing up. Every headline is revolutionary this, game changer that.
Right. It's overwhelming. And it's easy to kind of lose track of what's actually real or doable.
Which is why I appreciate your focus on finding something, actionable. What can someone listening actually do?
Precisely. It's about finding that signal. Strategies that aren't just talk, but have genuinely worked for people, real results.
And that is exactly what we're going to unpack in this deep dive today. Our mission, really, is to pull out the practical bits from these sources,
Yeah.
focusing on this really attention-grabbing idea, making actual money with AI, like significant money, even if you're starting from scratch. No prior skills needed.
That's the hook.
Yeah. The source throws out this number, $1,200 in 1 week. Using AI, it sounds ambitious. So the big question for us is that actually possible? And if it is, how?
It does sound almost too good to be true, doesn't it? And that's a fair question. But the source we're looking at, it doesn't just speculate. It gives us a case study. A pretty compelling one, actually.
Okay, let's get into that, because this is where it gets really interesting for me. The main example is this woman, Jessica.
Right, from Denver, part-time freelancer.
And the story goes, she was in a situation where she needed cash, fast, urgent need for income. So she decided to lean into this whole AI thing, really commit to it for a short burst.
And what she apparently pulled off in just 7 days is, well, it's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, lay it out for us. What did she actually do?
Okay, so within that 1 week, she created 6 videos. AI-powered shorts videos, specifically. Each one focused on a different AI tool.
6 videos in a week is pretty intense.
It is. But it wasn't just about making them. It was the results, the impact they had.
All right, the numbers. The source gives numbers, and they're kind of staggering.
They are. Those videos, apparently wrapped up 72,000 views, collectively.
72,000.
And her channel. It gained 470 new subscribers in that same week.
Okay, views and subs are great, but the kicker.
The kicker, exactly. The reason we're talking about this, she supposedly earned $1,200 directly from affiliate links tied to those videos.
$1,200 in 7 days.
Yep.
That's significant income.
It absolutely is. And what really jumps out at me, maybe even more than the money, is how she did it.
What do you mean?
The simplicity. The source stresses this. She only used free AI tools, and she made the shorts using just her phone.
So no expensive software, no fancy camera gear.
None of that. Which really hits home that no fancy skills needed promise. It makes the barrier to entry seem incredibly low, almost like, well, what's stopping anyone from just trying it?
That's the $1 million question, or maybe the $1,200 question in this case. Right. So okay, we see the results, we see the basic tools. How did she actually structure her week? There must have been a plan.
Oh, absolutely. It wasn't random. The source breaks down her exact weekly blueprint. It's quite detailed, actually. A day-by-day plan.
Let's walk through it. What did day 1 look like?
Day 1, she focused on a logo AI tool. Midjourney was the specific one mentioned. You know, the one that creates images from text prompts?
Yeah, I've seen some amazing stuff from Midjourney.
Right. So she scripted and uploaded a video explaining or showcasing that tool.
Okay, day 1, Midjourney video. Then?
Day 2, she was smart about it. She took that longer video content and repurposed it into a shorter, punchier version.
Makes sense.
And then she promoted that short on other platforms, places like Reddit, LinkedIn, get more eyeballs on it.
Cross-promotion, rather. Smart. Okay, day 3.
Day 3, she shifted gears. Uploaded a video about a different tool this time. A resume AI tool called Rezi helps build professional resumes quickly.
Another practical application. And day 4, same pattern.
Pretty much. Day 4 involved promoting the Rezi short and maybe explaining a bit more about how that tool works, its benefits.
Got it. So video, then short promotion. What about day 5?
Day 5, another tool. This time, an AI presentation tool. Tome was the example given. Helps you build nice-looking presentations fast.
These are all pretty useful tools for different people.
Exactly. And day 6, she did another one. A voice AI tool. HeyGen was mentioned. That's one of those tools that can create realistic voiceovers or even AI avatars for videos.
Okay, so that's 6 days, 6 different tools covered in videos and shorts. What about the last day, day 7?
Day 7 was kind of a wrap-up and optimization day. She compiled highlights from the week's work, and crucially, she made sure all her affiliate links were properly set up and included with all the content.
So there was a clear rhythm, Upload a longer video, create a short from it, promote the short, repeat every couple of days.
Yeah, basically a full video upload roughly every third day, with the shorts filling the gaps, and always posting those affiliate links with every piece of content. It's a very structured approach, consistent output.
Okay, the plan seems straightforward enough, maybe deceptively simple.
Okay.
So why did it work so well for Jessica? What did the source identify as the key reasons for her success?
Right, because the how is one thing, but the why is just as important. The source points to a few core factors.
That's the first one.
The first one is what the source actually calls algorithm love. It sounds a bit catchy, but it's about consistency and volume.
6 videos and 6 shorts in 1 week. That's a lot of content.
Exactly. It signals to platforms like YouTube or TikTok that you're active, you're engaging. The algorithms tend to reward that kind of consistent output, especially early on. Volume can sometimes beat perfection in the beginning.
Okay, consistency and volume. Algorithm love. Makes sense. What else?
The second point ties into the tools she chose. Remember how she covered different types? Logo design, resumes, presentations, voice AI?
Yeah, quite a range.
That niche spread, as the source puts it, was crucial. By showcasing multiple tools, she could appeal to different interests and reach a much broader audience than if she just stuck to one narrow topic, diversifying her content's appeal.
Good point. Don't put all your eggs in one niche basket, so to speak.
Right. And the third factor, which we touched on earlier but is absolutely critical, is the use of free tools.
Yeah, that seems huge.
It really is. The fact that anyone could theoretically follow her exact steps without spending a dime up front, that dramatically lowers the barrier to entry. It makes it super accessible.
No financial risk to get started. Okay, what else? Was there a fourth reason?
Yes, and it's more psychological, perhaps. Proof-based motivation. Seeing that $1,200 roll in,
Yeah.
that's powerful.
For sure.
It's undeniable proof that the effort is working. It validates what you're doing and really fuels you to keep going, maybe even scale up. It creates this positive feedback loop.
See results, get motivated, do more, see more results. Yeah, I can see that.
And there was one more thing, kind of an unexpected bonus mentioned.
Oh, what?
While she was doing all this scripting, recording, promoting, she was also learning a lot.
Learning what?
The source notes she was improving her English skills, getting a better grasp of AI concepts just by explaining them, and figuring out video logic, like what makes a good short.
Huh. So it wasn't just about the money. There's this inherent skill building happening, too.
Exactly. An unintended but valuable side effect. It makes you think, doesn't it? Can chasing quick income also be like a secret learning hack?
Interesting angle. So putting this all together, what does this mean for, someone listening right now? How do they take this information and run with it?
Well, the source doesn't present Jessica's story as just luck. It frames it as a potential formula, a next step you could take.
Okay, so it gives actual instructions.
Yeah, it's pretty direct about it and lays out a specific mission, as they call it, for anyone who wants to try and replicate this.
All right, what's the mission? Let's hear it.
The mission, according to the source, is this. First, choose 3 AI tools you want to focus on this week.
Okay, 3 tools. Step 1.
Step 2, script videos for them. Step 3, create shorts based on those scripts or videos.
Got it. Script, make shorts.
Step 4, upload the longer videos. And step 5, the crucial one, add your affiliate links to everything you post.
Choose tools, script, make shorts, upload long form, add links. That's the formula.
That's basically presented as the $1,200 formula, yeah. It's
Yeah.
about taking our blueprint and applying it systematically.
And the source wraps this up with a sense of urgency.
Definitely. There's this closing line, AI tools won't wait, you shouldn't either. It's a very clear nudge and invitation to, get started now.
Don't just listen to. Okay.
So as we finish up here, maybe the bigger thought to leave people with is about these implications. What does it mean when powerful tools, AI tools, become this accessible?
Right.
And when you combine that accessibility with a structured, consistent plan like Jessica's, it kind of challenges old ideas about needing years of training or specialized skills, doesn't it?
It really does. It suggests opportunities can pop up and be grabbed much faster now.
Exactly. Not just for making money, but for learning things incredibly quickly, too. In areas that maybe felt locked away behind expertise before, what kind of possibilities does that open up for individuals, for their goals, their growth?
It definitely makes you reconsider what skill even means anymore and how fast you can acquire meaningful ones if you just start.
A lot to think about.
Yeah.